Hello everyone, warm welcome back to the channel. YAJE here, super fired up to be sharing another gardening video with you. So today I want to share with you 3 or maybe 4 vegetables that can absolutely thrive in containers. I am a huge proponent for container gardening. Why? Because I think it is accessible to everyone. Whether you are in an apartment, you live in an urban area, or maybe you just don't want to be digging up your backyard, you can absolutely still grow vegetables in containers. And so today I just wanted to show you 3 or maybe again 4 vegetables that absolutely do well in containers, like surprisingly do well in containers. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. I am YAJE and I do grow vegetables in my backyard here in Zone 9A in Houston, Texas, and I like to encourage everyone to grow whatever that they eat. And so I do my best to share what I do here in hopes of helping someone, motivating someone, inspiring someone to grow vegetables. So if that is your kind of vibe, I hope you consider subscribing to join the tribe. And if this video adds value to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's go. So peppers can absolutely thrive in containers. All kinds of peppers. What you see here are growing in 5-gallon containers, and they are doing very well. So if you don't have enough space or you can't just be bothered digging, consider planting peppers in containers. The second vegetable that absolutely thrives in containers as well, okra. These ones are growing in fabric bags, again 5-gallon size, and the kind of okra that you would want to plant in containers would be a specific kind of okra made to grow in containers. These are like dwarf okras. So make sure that the seed pack says it is suitable for container gardening. So yeah, but absolutely consider growing okra in containers. I've been harvesting a lot of these. And then the third vegetable that you can grow in containers that thrives in containers surprisingly is the bitter leaf. Okay, so this one I have had for about 2 years now. You can see it is growing again in a 5-gallon grow bag. I've been harvesting it a lot. It is still going. This is also another bitter leaf plant that I have growing in fabric bags as well. So bitter leaves do well in containers. Last but not the least, the fluted pumpkin does well in containers. These are growing in fabric bags, 5-gallon, again 5-gallon fabric bags. As you can see, sitting on a pallet. So yeah, you can absolutely grow vegetables and make them thrive in containers. I hope that video was useful to you. I hope you now have some ideas on what you can grow in containers. It's absolutely possible. It is not that hard. I hope you consider growing what you like in containers. Just try it. You can try the okra. If okra is not your thing, try the bitter leaf. If it's not your thing, ugu. If it's not your thing, anything, just try it in containers. If it doesn't work, then you learned a lesson. Guys, do not go without giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here or you have not remembered to do so. It is very important to help me grow this channel, help us get more people into that tribe, the tribe of people that grow what they eat so that they can nourish their body and also nourish the environment. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.